guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And guess what? It's Christmas today, and do you know where I got invited to and who I got invited from? Oh my god, I still can't believe. So I work in Brass Monkey as a part-time employee, for my part-time, and I got invited for a for their family Christmas dinner. I can't believe that I got invited. Firstly, it's a family dinner, and secondly, it's Christmas, and it's supposed to be I don't know. It feels so nice that I remember, Felix asking me that, do you have any plans for Christmas or something like that. Felix is my manager. He's also one of the managers. And I was like, no, matlab, we don't usually celebrate Christmas. So I have no plans for Christmas, as such. Maybe I'm gonna just stay in my room. And then I had my shift yesterday, that is on 24th of December, and he invited me, you can come by if you have no plans for Christmas and all. And I thought, okay, so in India, if you say the same thing, and you'll probably believe that somebody is just inviting you for formality or something like that. But and then, okay, fine. So I thought, okay, it's just some formality. Maybe he's just being nice, But it's family dinner at the end of the day. Who would want you to be there, right? But no, apparently. And then I get up in the morning. Actually, I didn't get up in the morning. I got up in the afternoon. Let's be real. So, and then I got a text from him saying that he and his family is inviting me for the Christmas dinner. I like it. I've met his whole family. Everyone is so nice. His sister, his uncle, and then his brothers. They are also the managers of Brass Monkey, obviously. Like his girlfriend. Everybody is so nice. My god, I am so excited. But again, now I don't know what I shouldn't be going empty handedly because I do not have anything. I didn't buy any presents as such, so I feel so bad. But I don't know, but I thought maybe getting them Indian sweets would be one of the present as such. I don't know. I thought Indian sweets would be some present that I can take along with me. So I have Mysore Pak. Mysore Pak is one of the famous sweets in South India. Not okay. Let's not say South India. It's one of the famous sweet from Karnataka. Okay, there are so many sweets, but this is something I really love. I don't know. I don't know if this is the perfect present or if this is a present or anything like that. But I just hope they like them. I don't know. Maybe I'm just overthinking. But yeah, I don't really. Let's just get ready. I feel so good. I still can't believe it. It literally feels like a dream. Not even kidding. Literally. Because I have never had Christmas dinner as such, or I've only seen these things happening in sitcoms. Because what I have been celebrating is all the Indian festivals, and yeah, so I know how the Indian festivals work, but on Christmas, every Christmas, maybe I've just been to the church, and then I've lighted some candles. That's all. That was Christmas for me. But I really want to see like how a family dinner looks like. It feels like a dream. I don't know why it feels like a dream, because this is overwhelmingly sweet for me. Not kidding. Because this is a new country, whole new country, and I don't know anybody around, like anybody over here. And then you being like invited to a family dinner is so special. Like the thought of inviting me to a family dinner is so special. That is so special for me. Touch wood. Yeah. So I mean, every time, like whenever I'm working there, like I meet each one of them. Like yeah, some each one of their family members come drop by, and they greet you so like warmly. Like it feels so nice to see, a family together. Maybe I'm feeling this because I am staying away from my family or something like that. But it feels so nice to see them bond with each other. And they are like, each one of them are so sweet. You know what? I met a little. She's a like little girl, young girl. Like she's like, I don't know how, 7 years old or maybe less than that. I don't know. She just came by like yesterday while I was working, and I asked them, is she like Asian? And then she was like, her mother is from South Korea. And I was like, oh my god, is she Korean? I watch a lot of K dramas, but again, I just like, I felt so nice. Like, oh, is she Korean? And then she said Annyeong. I said Annyeonghaseyo. It felt so nice. Like, she was so cute. See, like, she was really so cute. And I heard that she doesn't like talk to people a lot, but she did talk to me. And I felt so special that a kid is talking. I don't know, it just felt so special that she spoke to me. At this rate, everything is very warm, and anything warm is like really nice to me. It feels really nice because I love talking a lot and I love expressing a lot, and I love the way they are also so expressive. And like keeping this fact in mind that I am, like I am a part-time employee over there. So I could have just like, they could have treated me like a mere employee, but the amount of warmth they show is like really something really nice. And why am I talking about all these things is because I want to document the feeling that how I feel right now. Because one day when I'm gonna like look back at my life, however I lived, I want to exactly see how happy, like how overwhelmed I am right now. Those feelings are gonna bring meaning to my life. All I need is a meaning and purpose in my life. And this is something really nice and special moment for me, I would say. And I'm really excited for the dinner. Let's see how that goes. Hi guys, this is me today. I was very nervous. 2 बार मैंने अपने eyeliner का fuck up किया. But see, this is the best I could do. My room is a mess right now, but here we go. Okay, I hope I did justice for the Christmas dinner. Don't I look Christmassy? I think I look Christmassy. Bye. It's Christmas, but look at the streets. It's so empty. Does not even feel like Christmas. No, because everybody are busy enjoying अपने अपने घरों में. Yes, and Neve is gonna pick me. Oh my god. So I am walking till the end of the road so that it would be easy for her. Okay, it's very silent. I just hope nobody mugs me. Wish me luck. I don't even know, but I'm like a bit nervous. Everything looks like it's so silent, and streets look so dead. Yeah. Hi guys, pretty Neve just reached and picked me. We are not gonna distract her because we have to reach sound and safe. And I just wanted to say I'm so happy. And I like every single moment of time I thought that what if this is a like prank or something, that you're being invited, but at the end of the day they say like, oh, it was just the invite. I don't know, I just kept on like second guessing this thing because how can things go so well? I can't believe that things can go so well. But touch wood, apparently it's really going so nice that now I have faith that now Neve has picked me. I am going to the Christmas dinner.
It's real.
And it's not a prank. Yes. That is the life update, guys. Bye. But it's so like I can't believe when good things happen in a row. I feel like there's something bad gonna happen.
No.
I hope not.
Don't think like that.
It's literally too good to be true. Not even exaggerating at this point. Like oh my god.
Fingers crossed, you haven't got there.
I didn't even know where to cross, like how to even cross the road, because there was no as such,
Like crossing.
Yeah, crossing. Oh no. But I'm so happy that this is happening.
Oh no, me too.
Oh.
It's good like practice for me as well to like try and come.
Hi guys, this is Neve. Isn't she so pretty?
Stop.
Oh my god.
I need to pay attention.
It's red signal, so it's a stop now.
Distracting me.
Felix is gonna kill me now. Look guys, it's so pretty. I'm pretty sure you cannot see the trees, but it looks so pretty. And it's so filmy.
Oh, it's foggy.
Yeah. Hi guys, this is Felix. I know you cannot see, but I'm so happy you invited me. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Where are you?
I'm behind you on the gate.
Let's go. This is Felix. This is for me.
Tight, you need to hold it tight.
Camera shy.
I don't know if you got the thing.
Whoa!
Well, you won one ever said it. Okay.
Say hi. This is for my YouTube vlog.
Ah, yeah, you're alright. Hello.
Thank you so much for inviting me.
Anytime.
I'm going to wear these all year.
Thank you, Nick.
Nice to see you, Susan. I hope you have a wonderful life and a happy time.
Oh, thank you so much. I wish you the same.
You put it on the stove.
Ta-da.
Look like steak on
Put your margarita on
So
it.
these you like hook them on the seat in front of you on the plane and
Hi guys, this is... Hi puppy.
You have to do it through Sonos, like I'm just
And we are doing that.
And then use the glue.
Oh my god. This is so
meant to be food, chef.
I'm glad you're enjoying it.
Thank you so much, man.
So, you know,
I would have said this 100 times today, but I'm so happy.
Out to hide at the bottom of the stairs.
And then you have to peel it off. So if you hold the camera close here and peel it off.
No, actually, he was bronze screaming. Okay, it's flat voice, flat voice. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
No, the start. My dessert. Where are the stars?
Hi guys, I had the best Christmas ever and I really loved it. Like seeing a family having a Christmas together and being invited, like, you know, as a part for being a part of it. It's so nice. I never thought that I would ever see this day, like, where, you know, family is inviting me. Like, it's a new country for me. It felt so nice. That's all I would like to say. That, and now I'm staying over at her sister's place. I love it. Oh my god. It's touch wood. Touch wood, guys. I don't know. There's like, it's literally like too many good things in a row for me. And I'm so happy to be wherever I am today. And I'm gonna keep working hard. Yes, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. It was a very short vlog where I was living in the moment, but I didn't vlog many of the moments. But that was a sneak peek to my Christmas dinner. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. And yes, we'll see each other soon. Bye. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.